Hello friends, myself Dr. Padam Singh Tamar. You are welcome in my YouTube channel Chillax Math John. Friends, today we are going to discuss about statistical programming language that is known as R programming. So first of all, what is R? This is a common question for the beginners. So R is a programming language which is an easy to use language and environment for statistical computing, data analysis, and graphics, and it is freely available at the crane.us.rproject.org. So you can download freely from this website to use the R programming. So today we are going to discuss some basics of the programming language R for the statistical computing. So here this is the R console, means R command window. So first of all, we are going to discuss basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction. So first of all, clear this command window by using Control plus L, and let's start by basic mathematical operations. Suppose we are going to add two numbers, then we have nothing to do, just simply write 4 plus 6 if uh, you wish to add 4 and 6, and then press enter. So here is the result, and this 1 indicates that this is 1 by 1 matrix. And if you are interested to subtract any number from another one, like 6 minus 9 gives you minus 3, and if you have to find the division of 9 by 4, then write like this. Also, you can perform the operation in combination with numbers like this. So here this gives you the result in force operations. And if you are interested to find the exponential value of any number, say 7, then just write exp7 and press enter. And for the natural log value, just type the command log and the number, say 50. If you are interested to find the natural log of the 50, so here is the natural log value of 50, and the common log on base 10 can easily calculate it for any number like 500. So it gives the common log value for the number. If you wish to print the value of pi, so just write pi, pi, and you can also store the value in any variable, say x. If you are going to store value 3 with the variable x, then write x is equal to 3 and press enter. If you wish to print the stored value of x, then write x and press enter. Also, you can print this value by writing the command print x. Okay, there are other variable names. You can use any small or caps or a combination of numbers and characters for the variable names, or you can use a long character for the variable name with the combination of numbers. So all these are valid names for the variables, and this has used to stop to printing these uh, items. So suppose if you wish to store value 12 in the variable a, and here is the printed value of the stored in a, and you can make any power by using the command a power. Suppose we have to find a to the power 15. So here this gives you the result, and if you wish to find the square root of this a, then write sqrta and press the enter button. If you wish to find natural log of this stored value in a, then write log a and press enter. Also, in the similar fashion, you can find common log value for this variable a, and exponential value of the stored value in a. So, in this way, you can find also trigonometrical value like tan of the value stored in a. So, it gives you tan's value. Similarly, cos of a, sin of a, like this. You can find easily all these values by using these simple arithmetic operations. So, in the introductory session today, we have discussed about these basic operations, and how to store the value in any variable, and how to execute the stored value for different operations. So thank you friends for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment on this video. Also press the bell button for more updates. Thank you friends.